everybody to Living Lux on Half the Bucks. This is Tiffany, and I have my daughter here with me. I just washed her hair, and I'm going to show you how I blow dry her hair. I just washed it. Regardless of how it looks, her hair is very soft after I washed and conditioned it. You'll see me grease her scalp, moisturize it, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer. This blow dryer right here I got off Amazon, and I've been eyeing it for some time, wondering if it was going to work. Now, this is not my first time using it, but I am going to show you. It works very well, so you'll see that. And I am going to add a little something extra with it, which is, before I blow dry it, I am going to use the Carol's Daughter Smoothing Blow Dry Cream Capucha. Don't joke me because I do not know how to say it properly, but I'll be using this. From what I heard, they don't have this in stores anymore, so I use it very small amounts, and small amount works really good. So you'll see me work on her hair, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you like what you see, definitely hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe. And the next video will be me styling her hair. This is just going to be me blow drying it. It will take a little bit of time as well because I'm working in small sections with the blow dryer. I get better results when I do that. So stay tuned. So I'm finished with blowing out her hair. Gave a really nice blowout here. As you can see, I mean, she does need some clipper ends, but right now, not so much worried about that. She's tired, so it's super late. Yeah, it's super late here. It's about 12 a.m. But we got started pretty late on washing her hair. But this has worked really awesome on her head. I mean, you see her hair texture from detangling really helps. They do have a few different settings here: low, middle, and high. I used high majority of the time so I could quickly get this straightened to the point that you see it straightened to. A regular blow dryer that has the detachable combs and things like that has never done this to her hair, has never done this. The only way I've ever seen to be able to do this is if you use a paddle brush and a blow dryer. So this has really helped. It takes a little bit to get used to, but you know, once you get going, you get kind of in the swing of it. And then the way that it is, like right here, it's a great gripping part right here on this section. So I mean, you can see it's, I mean, no, you know, those blow dryers with the detachable combs, never done this to her hair, never. This has really straightened it. And the only reason I'm doing it like this is because tomorrow is super late, but I can't just have her hair all wild out. She's gonna put her nightcap on, she'll go to bed for the night, and then tomorrow I will go back and start braiding it. If not tomorrow, probably the end of this week or something like that. Then I'll go back and braid it, since, you know, quarantine, nobody's going anywhere, so I'm not stressing it. But I do want to braid it because braids last really long in her hair. They do really well, so that's what helps me out. I thank you so much for the if you stayed and watched the whole video and everything like that. I greatly appreciate you. I'll leave a link in below.